Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to convert an Amazon Kindle book to PDF. Converting an Amazon Kindle book to PDF on Amazon Kindle isn't always straightforward because many books are protected by DRM, which blocks direct exporting or file conversion. So the easiest legitimate method depends on the type of book you're working with. If the book supports printing, you can open it in the Kindle desktop app on your Windows PC, go to the print option, and select Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer, which will generate a PDF version of this readable content. However, this only works for certain books like textbooks, PDFs, or print-enabled documents. Another option is using software like Calibra, which lets you import ebooks and convert them into different formats, including PDF, after installing it on your computer. You can add your book into Calibra, select Convert Book, choose PDF as the output format, and then export it. Keep in mind that DRM protected books may not convert properly, and you should only convert content you legally own and are allowed to modify. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.